Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Iyali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Ray's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. Number 9. Sahib Sizzler. Story of six siblings Azize, Kemo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. A teacher falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardin's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a scarlet life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 8. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 7. Sila. Sila is a young girl who, shortly after being born, is snatched away from her family and her roots, taken to Istanbul, where she is adopted by a rich family who tell her that all her family died. Although from an Eastern origins, Sila is brought up in a modern Western style. One day, her perfect life crumbles when she meets her so-called dead family and their backward traditions. Her real father suddenly appears and lies that her mother is dying and she goes to Mardin to see her. Her life soon changes when she is forced to marry to Boran Aga, a total stranger, to save the life of her older brother. Now Sila is imprisoned in a world where tradition no law reigns. She searched for a way to free herself and each day makes plans for her escape. Nevertheless, she struggles to run away from the growing and hopeless love she feels towards Boran Aga. Number 6. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of the situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. While Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Gunesh. Gunesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Ayaz and Gunesh will fight a battle in a journey woven with secrets, and love will be both their salvation and their captivity. Number 5. Guljimal. Guljimal begins 30 years ago in Bursa, where the beautiful Zafar is forced to abandon Mustafa, the man she loves, to marry Saim, who she doesn't. Zafar gives birth to a son, Guljimal, who she cannot bring herself to love. Later, she has a daughter, Gulandam. Her family is like a weight on Zafar's chest, so when Mustafa reappears in Bursa, she runs off with him. When Zafar gets pregnant, Saim hangs himself. The young Guljimal takes his revenge, killing Mustafa with a bread knife. It is at this point Zafar curses Guljimal, telling him he will never be loved. Number 4. Khan Chichikleri. Khan Chichikleri tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end a blood feud despite the hostility of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love or bring devastation. Baran must put aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother. As he seeks to bring peace to a family vying for revenge, destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has tracked down those who attacked his parents, but his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying a trap and is actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. Number 3. Gizli Sakli. Nas is fresh out of the police academy where she graduated at the top of her class. Serious, ambitious, and conscientious, she's lived her life by the book, and that's the kind of police officer she intends to be. Pamir is a veteran detective with a reputation for always getting his man. He is also the exact opposite of Nas, aggressive and ruthless. Pamir does not hesitate to bend the rules to reach his objective. He is also a bit of a lone wolf. Neither Naz nor Pamir are happy when their captain pays them up on a special undercover operation to take down Tariq Kosciuolo, a dangerous mafia don masquerading as a fish distributor. The unlikely couple are assigned to pose as newlyweds who just moved in across the street. Naz and Pamir can't stand each other. That despite all their friction, they somehow manage to gain Tariq's trust. Then, just when the operation is on the verge of success, something incredible happens. They begin to fall in love, and that's when everything begins to unravel. Number 2. Ashk Mantik Intakam. Asra always swore she would never marry a man like her father, whose business failure left her family bankrupt and struggling all through her youth. Then she met Uzan, a bright young engineer, entering the civil service. The two married and led a comfortable, stable life until the day Uzan quit his government job to start his own company. Soon Asra is hustling 3 jobs just to keep the family afloat, while Uzan bounces from one bankruptcy to another. Eventually, the two are divorced. Years later, Uzan's face is plastered over every newspaper, magazine, and news show. His social media app has made Uzan insanely rich, a tech celebrity, and one of Turkey's most eligible bachelors. Number 1. Uchkiz Kardesh. Once upon a time, in a beautiful yet mysterious company, there lived 3 sisters named Turkhan, Donush, and Daria. As a close knit family, they would dream of a promising future every night, perhaps such an upbringing that was similar to a fairy tale on the pine-scented streets of Evlik had not prepared them for the grim reality of adulthood. Over time, the sisters discovered that the life and the choices that are accompanied by it are not as easy as they seem. Inconceivable secrets can be hidden even by those who are trusted the most, and horrific illnesses can lead to the resurrection of the past. This leads them to the question, is there anything in the world that time cannot heal? If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.